8 minus 8 equals 0, and again 8 minus 8 equals 0, and 0 times 0 equals 0. But this answer is wrong because we did not follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. According to the PEMDAS rule, we first solve inside the parentheses. 8 minus 8 equals 0, so the expression becomes 8 minus 8 times 0, next comes multiplication, 8 times 0 equals 0, therefore, 8 minus 0 equals 8. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you.